Today we will discuss about most repeated top 10 pairs of words with the use in sentence. Voracity. Its meaning is excessive desire to eat. Use in sentence. On reaching the ship, they were offered some bread which they devoured with a voracious appetite. Veracity. Its meaning is the quality of being true, honest, or accurate. Use in sentence is the veracity of the second claim can be tested against the findings of archaeology. Veracious. Meaning having good moral qualities and behavior. Use in sentence, he described them as a virtuous and hard-working people. Virtual. Its meaning is describe something that can be done or seen using a computer and therefore without going anywhere or talking to anyone. Use in sentence, in test we have found the virtual machines runs at a reasonable speed. Exceptional. Much greater than usual, especially in skill, intelligence, quality. Use in sentence, the company has shown exceptional growth over the past 2 years. Exceptionable. Meaning is offensive or upsetting. Use in sentence is this action is normally only taken in exceptional circumstances. Wool gathering. Its meaning is indulgence in aimless thoughts and dreamy imagination, absent-minded. And the use in sentence is mother advised to her son to not wool gather and be serious. Under the harrow, and its meaning is in difficult situation, distress. Use in sentence is after giving divorce to her wife, he is under the harrow now. Cold comfort, meaning little comfort or encouragement. Use in sentence is after getting job, Aslam is in cold comfort. A gold digger, and its meaning is a relationship made by a woman with a man to seek his money or gift. Use in sentence, the new secretary seemed to be gold digger.